Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Amazon gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Amazon gift cards. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to redeem your Amazon gift cards? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're like me, sometimes you receive gifts from friends in the form of Amazon gift cards, but how do you use them and how do you redeem them? That's what we're going to talk about. So I've already pulled up a gift card that I purchased here in my inbox, and Amazon makes it pretty easy for you to redeem your gift cards. And it's basically going to be the same process whether you got a physical Amazon gift card or even an e-gift card like what I have here. So if you got the e-gift card to an inbox that's associated with your Amazon account, so your email is already registered with Amazon, you can easily just click on this little button right here, apply to your Amazon account, and it's going to take you directly to your Amazon app, and then you can click to confirm. That's the easiest way. But if you got an Amazon gift card in an email that's not associated with your Amazon, you can still go ahead and claim the code. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on this little line right here. This is the claim code or the gift card code. It's going to be 14 digits alphanumeric. Let me go ahead and click on there now. Okay, so once I click on there, I'm going to go ahead and copy the complete number. I'm going to copy it now. Okay, so I'm going to click on copy now. Okay, now I have the claim code, and that's what you're going to need to use in order to redeem your Amazon gift card. Let me switch over to my app now. Okay, so here's my Amazon app right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Okay, so here I am in the Amazon home screen for the app. And if you want to go ahead and redeem your Amazon gift code, what you want to do is click on these three little lines here on the top left, and another drop-down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, you're going to get these different options, but what you want to do is click on your account. It's right here. It's about 5 lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down until you get to this payment sections. Once you're there, there's a line called Manage Gift Card Balance. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once you click there, as you can see, my gift card balance is 0, but there's an option right here called Redeem Another Gift Card. That's where you want to redeem your Amazon gift card. I'm going to click there now. Okay, once you're here, then you see there's a couple of different options. You can scan the claim code if you have a physical Amazon gift card. But if you're like me and you got an e-gift card, you're just going to click right here and then just paste the number in. So let me go ahead and paste that in now. Okay, I went ahead and pasted in my Amazon gift card into my Amazon app. Next, what you want to do is click on this orange button called Apply to Your Balance. I'm going to click there now. Okay, just a few seconds later, this screen pops up and it says $1 was applied to your account. So my new gift card balance is $1 right here. So with that code, that's going to be the same whether it's an e-gift card or a physical plastic Amazon gift card. And that's the easiest way I know how to redeem your Amazon gift card on Amazon. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.